This 2025 Coachmen Prism Select 24 MBS is a Class C RV. It is located in Surprise, Arizona, 85378 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Surprise. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features a driftwood tide interior, sleeps 3, Slideout, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2025 Coachmen Prism Select 24 MBS is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.